Every Sundance outdoor spa is designed to provide the best hydrotherapy a spa can deliver, with reliable performance and the latest, most innovative features. From the sleek, clean lines and energy efficiency of the elite spas, to the dream spas of the 880 series, the best-selling luxury spa in the industry, to the uncompromising value and innovation of the 780 series, and the fun-loving portable spas of the 680 series. Know that no matter which Sundance spa you choose, it's been made of the highest quality components, thoughtfully designed and manufactured to exacting standards. It will have Sundance quality and value and carry a warranty that's first in the industry, up to 10 years on some components, like the acrylic. Take a moment to look through each series, then visit your expert Sundance spa dealer to see the selection. Our dealers will be happy to answer any questions you might have and help you select and plan. To get started now, you can download a PDF of our brochure packed with ideas and information to answer your questions about choosing a Sundance Hydrotherapy Spa. No matter what size or shape you're looking for, find the perfect fit for your backyard and lifestyle at Sundance.